Welcome to this quick tutorial on adding new users in DalBuy. Let's walk you through the process step by step so you can easily add team members and manage your users. As a supplier, you may need to add a team member to DalBuy to manage various tasks. This way, each task is handled by the right person efficiently. We have logged in successfully to the portal. To get started, on the left-hand menu, click on Administer. In the menu bar, click on Manage Users and select Send New User Request. You'll be directed to the Send New User Request page to provide your team members' contact details like name, phone number, and email address. Pro tip: starred fields are required to complete registration. Click Send User Request to submit your request. Once this is completed, the new user will receive an email with further instructions to access DalBuy. And that's it. Now you know how to add new users in DalBuy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.